Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue when your Minecraft launcher is not opening up on your PC. Let's fix it guys. First you just need to open up Task Manager, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Make sure Minecraft launcher is not running in the background guys. You just need to right click on it and select End Task It guys. After doing it, close out of here. Now search for installed apps. Click on open it guys. In here search for Minecraft, select the three dot icon, select the advanced options. You just need to scroll down and select the repair option guys. Repairing the Minecraft launcher files by downloading any missing or corrupted files guys. After doing it, close out of here. Now you just need to update your Windows guys. For that, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it guys. Now click on the check for updates. If you have any available updates over here, you just need to update it guys. After updating it, you just need to restart your computer guys. After doing it, in case the Minecraft launcher problem is persists, then you should make sure that your graphics driver is up to date guys. To do this, right click on the start icon, select device manager guys. Now expand the display adapter section and right click on the graphics card driver, select update driver, select search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. After getting this message, close out of here. It should fix the Minecraft launcher not opening problem guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and you can also support me by subscribing my channel guys. Thank you.